Looking for a way to elevate your audio setup? The CM6533 intelligent noise reduction chip promises to deliver richer, fuller sound by filtering out unwanted noise. Imagine listening to your favorite tracks or gaming with sound so clear and detailed, it feels like you're right in the studio. With high-fidelity audio restored up to 24-bit, 96 kHz, this chip brings professional-grade recording quality right to your desktop. I recently tested the CM6533 chip on my PC with low-impedance headphones, and the difference was clear. After adjusting the settings, I was able to run 96 kHz audio, unlocking a level of detail that my motherboard simply couldn't match. The built-in amplifier added enough power to make every drum hit punch through with impressive clarity. Plus, the noise reduction technology noticeably cut out background hiss and pops, especially during power on and off, thanks to its smart de-pop circuitry. Whether you're gaming or mixing music, the chip's EQ options let you fine-tune treble and bass to suit your preferences without overcomplicating the setup. What makes the CM6533 stand out is its versatility. It supports USB 2.0 and works seamlessly with iPhone and Android devices using the right adapters, so you're not limited to just your PC. It offers multiple inputs and outputs, including 1/4 and 1/8 headphone jacks, analog stereo RCA, and both coaxial and optical digital outputs. This means you can connect a variety of devices and enjoy superior sound quality across the board. Drivers are required for full optical digital output functionality, but once set up, the performance is consistently reliable. If you're tired of dull, flat sound from your current audio gear, the CM6533 chip is worth a look. It brings professional studio standards to your everyday listening without the complexity or cost of high-end equipment. Whether you want to power your headphones with a clean, strong signal or reduce noise for clearer recordings, this chip delivers what you need. Try it when you're ready to experience audio that truly stands out. Ready to upgrade your sound? The CM6533 intelligent noise reduction chip offers a straightforward path to better audio quality with proven performance and flexible connectivity. It's a smart choice for anyone serious about sound, whether you're gaming, recording, or just enjoying music. If that's you, this chip could be the missing piece to your setup.